friends, I'm Gina with Country Family Values, and today we're doing beef stew in the Instant Pot. So I've turned on the saute button and I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let that heat up. While that's heating up, I've got my beef cubed into about 1-inch cubes here, I guess. I have 3 tablespoons of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a ½ teaspoon of pepper. And I'm going to mix the salt in with my flour here. Mix the seasonings in with it, I should say. So I'm gonna do this in batches because the cooking surface is, you don't have as much cooking surface as you might have, you know, in a skillet. If you need a little more oil, then just go ahead and add it as you need it. And don't worry about the brown bits getting stuck on the bottom. That's actually going to give us some flavor later on. We'll deglaze it with some broth, and it's going to help make things yummy. I've got a large onion diced into pretty large chunks here. A little bit of celery, got a stalk. After these cook a little bit, then I'll add a little bit After these cook a little bit, then I'll add a little bit of garlic, but I want to let these cook a little first. I really like garlic, so I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm going to be using 3 cups of water, but I'm going to pour in about 1 cup to start the deglazing part. And as you can tell, the brown piece is stuck on there beginning to bother me, so I need to go ahead and do it right and deglaze it. Plus that'll help prevent a burn notice for you guys. Deglazing it will. Add my meat back in. I have my potatoes cut into chunks. I've got about 4 cups of potatoes cut into, so about 1 inch, I guess, maybe 1.5 inch pieces. I've got a 16-ounce bag of baby carrots. I've got a teaspoon of Italian seasonings, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground thyme, and I like a little bit of heat, so I'm putting in a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. That's definitely optional. You don't have to do that. And 2 bay leaves. Here I have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then I'm going to pour in the rest of my water here. And I'm going to add 3 bouillon cubes. I'm just kind of mix the tomato paste in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to press cancel to turn off the saute. lid on, make sure it's in sealing. And you can either hit your meat or stew button, or you can use your manual or pressure cook button for 35 minutes. And now we wait. So the timer has gone off and I've allowed this to natural release for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to release the rest of the pressure. Now my favorite part. It's so good, so good. Be kind to one another. Thanks for watching.